Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Alipay tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you on how to snap or screenshot translate in Alipay without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Alipay app. The next thing you want to do right there is to go ahead, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on search bar right here. Then come to the search bar. I'm going to click on search bar, go ahead and search for translation, then hit on search, and go ahead and click on this first result right here. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on this camera icon. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you set your language. Go ahead and click on here to set your primary language. That is the language on the picture or the screenshot. So in my own hand here, I'm going to choose English language. Once I click on English language, next thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on the camera icon right here. Then you can select from album, or better still, you can easily take a photo. So let's go ahead and click on select from album. And here we want to make sure we select a particular image that has English language. So I'm going to select this image right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on confirm. It's loading. So after a successful load, we have the result right here. This is the translation, just like so in Chinese. And let's simply go back. And this is the original that was uploaded in English language right here. So let's go back to translation, just like so. So we can easily click on the one that we want right here. We can go ahead and click and hold down, save in phone, or send to friend, or add to favorite, as the case may be, just like so. So let's go back to the translation right here. Now we can also change language right here. I can say from here, and then I can switch to Chinese right here, and then this time around translate it to English. And the next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on camera icon right here. I'm going to select from album again. So this time around I need to look for a picture that contains Chinese character. Okay, so I have one right here. I'm going to select this and click on confirm, and allow it to upload. Loading, and then we have the result right here. So just like what you see right here, from Chinese to English, and then this is the original upload. Let's go back, and here go back again, and then we want to check on the translation result. This is the second one right here. You can see everything plainly translated, successful. Just like so, and come back right here, click on again, and then here we can simply click and hold down, save to info, send to friends, or add to favorite. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay app, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.